Hey, if you are a content creator and you are struggling right now to put up a script, then this episode might actually be helpful to you. You know, as content creators, we have so many things in our mind, we have so many ideas, we have huge goals, and we just want to get them done, right? But see, sometimes we end up being all over the place. We forget the details. So how are we even going to get our message across when we can't organize our script? Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Jackie D, and my goal is to empower you to feel good about yourself as you build a powerful social media presence. And it's very important because if you're a content creator, you gotta feel good about what you do. So here are my 7 guidelines that help me create a good content. Number 1, is this topic going to help my audience? Which means to say you should know your niche, you should know the value of what you propose or what you share. Number 2, what question is my topic answering? Because there has to be a need, right? I know that we want to share so much information, but just think of one question, because one question will actually create so many avenues for explanation and extra information. For example, in a previous episode, I answered the question, how do I keep the relevance of my Instagram reel if the audio is taken down by Instagram or is muted? So that was a very specific question, but I tell you, I had a lot to say. You can set the other questions aside for more episodes, and that already gives you an idea as to your next filming, right? Number 3, keep it short and sweet. Answer the question, give them exactly what they're looking for. Temptation to say a lot of things is intense, right? But remember, the more ideas you have down the road, the more episodes you can create. So it's okay, don't put everything in one episode. Besides, your audience might only need a little of that episode, or they may not remember everything. So focus on that one important question. Number 4, split your topic into mini topics. That way it's very organized. There are many ways to organize an article or a script, right? It could be chronological, it could be according to importance. It really depends on the topic that you are developing. That way you don't have to dump everything in one paragraph. When you split the topic into main topics, you're actually organizing your message, and that makes it easily understood. Number 5, your introduction is very, very important. It should also be the hook, because the first 3 seconds of what you're saying is going to make a difference. You need to be able to capture the curiosity of your audience, the attention, and then that way when you start talking about your topic, then they already know what to expect, right? Your hook could be either the problem, the surprise, ongoing issues, a sad story, a happy story. It has to already create that impact. Number 6, what are your solutions? What are your tips? You have to really clarify what your audience is going to learn from you in this episode. They are deliberate, they are clear, and they will address the question. And number 7, don't ever forget call to action. You know, it's nice to give tips. And in doing so, we're very generous with our knowledge, with our experience, with our information, with our strategies. But don't forget, you also need your audience to come back to you and give you that support. Like me, I'm very, very happy when someone subscribes to my channel, or even just comments or gives it a like, or just tell me that, oh, you did good, oh, I love your energy. Usually those are the comments I get, like, I love your energy, I love the way you presented the topics. Then it means I'm doing a good job, right? So that alone is already motivation for me, and I'm just so inspired. All the more if they follow you. Whatever it is that you want to get out of your episode, you want them to follow you, you want them to go to your website and sign up for your newsletter, you want them to buy your product, you want them to subscribe to your services, to sign up for your course, to visit all your other social media channels. So It really is up to you. Whatever is your goal for your business, for your account, then that's where you do it. I hope you learned something from this episode. Don't forget to give it a like and comment and share and subscribe. Again, that's my call to action. Subscribe and check out my Instagram account. My YouTube talks about tutorials and I share my tips and strategies. My Instagram is my showcase of what I do. Some of you are probably wondering how you... It's my showcase. Visit my website, sign up for my newsletter, and I will see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.